For about a year and a half now, I've been trying to get this tri-power Ford FE trying to work. I got it successfully to run twice, but other times it just won't work. I have no idea what I did here, but let's see in this episode we can finally get it running again like the good old days. Alright guys, the intro was made after all of this, so I have no idea if we'll get running yet, but yeah. Here is the old carburetor. You know, the old gaskets here. I needed that, but whoops. Right over here, give me 1 second. Here we go. I ain't lying. This light sucks. I can't look at lights. Yeah, but yeah. Here is the Holly rebuild kit for the 2-barrel carburetor, which should be right. So I'm going to go inside where it's nice and warm, and let's go ahead and clean this up until it's spick and span. Right, the fun part. As you can see, I'm in my super top secret studio area where I clean all my parts. Let's just make sure I got the right parts. So, without a ridge at the bottom. I did a serial inspection. Oh, fireplace materials. I mean, that's pretty fabulous. Couldn't throw these in the fireplace afterwards. We got these gaskets. Where I'm going to put them? In the garbage. I don't need them. Really thought I would do that? Yeah. So, bingo, that's right. Yep. Got 2 options for the rip up one I did. Then look at here, this is a goodie bag that I'll be using today. Here's another thing I'll be using today. The power valve. Make sure it's like the same. I will hang on to that. I might need it and just in case that might not work. Got this weird thingy and a whole bunch of other goodies. So let's put them all nicely into the box, which are the one there. There. And you see this bad boy? He's like begging me not to put them in. Whoops, didn't film that part. So, maybe while they soak. Uh-oh, looks pretty dirty. I'm gonna let us all dry and stuff, and help it dry enough, and then we start tapping the reader for it. I don't know what nope. I guess I gotta take it apart. That part looks good. All right, all put together. I don't know if it's this one, this card plate, or the other one right there, but I couldn't get the other one, this other one that's on there unstuck. And that whole other baggy little thing, I couldn't figure out what they go to or what. Take a good look, but at least now I have them for other carburetors. But keeping this one. But yeah, I don't know what these junky instructions or papers are for. That didn't help. Oh, yeah. So I think we are going to try to start it today. So I'm going to get everything cleaned up. And I have to get the gas. Got to put the car back on. Then I'll get to you guys when hopefully it's going to start. Yeah. You know why I ain't putting it on the carburetor? I spent all of that and it was all frozen. The flaps were all frozen. Yeah, I opened it up. The gas was all frozen. Everything was frozen. For everybody that likes all winter, all cold, yeah, you can go ahead and live in Alaska with shorts and short sleeves. So, go up there. Yeah, bye-bye. I hate it. And now I have to go through that carburetor again. Clean it off. I probably have to keep it inside the whole night so it can dry off. Yeah. Not that happy right now, but still have hope for it. But first, I wouldn't start with that front one. I don't know if it's like, I don't know, but it does start when I have that fun. Could be timing, but I'm pretty sure we put on top dead center, and I lost those brushes. There they are. So I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna clean it off. It's cold out. Hopefully tomorrow and Friday is gonna be warmer. I was thinking if it came out, yeah. So I was able to blow through all these holes now. Before, they're all frozen and stuff. Yeah, then put mouth to mouth on here to get CPR, but that one blows that. It wasn't working earlier. But yeah. That hole is free, which foreshadowing for the future. Uh-oh. Alright, it's been a couple days. I had to do stuff yesterday, but yeah. Hopefully it was just frozen. I found out, like you saw clips before. I hope this will work. If not, man, I'm afraid I might have to say ta-ta, Tri-Power. Yeah. If, what's his name? Pole Barn Garage says they're really horrible and difficult to do. It's from Pole Barn Garage. And if he can't really figure them out, and I'm 16 and he's 30-some years old. Yeah, I ain't gonna get up on my gloves. They're on the ground behind here. Well, but yeah, I want to take a moment to thank Chad and Peyton from Honest Paint Speed Shop. Like last week, let me see if I can flip it around. But here, they sent me some stickers in mail, and Eagle Eye viewers will say this is Tannery belts and not Honest Paint Speed Shop. That is very true. This is awesome. And I don't know how to make a store, don't know how to sell stuff, but I think once I get to 1,500 or 2,000 subscribers, I'll go ahead and start a merch store. And I don't know how to design stuff, so El Google and other people's designs will help me out. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you like merch. But yeah, this is really, really awesome. I thank you guys so much for this one. Everybody watching this video right now, do me a favor, check out Honest Paint Speed Shop right now. Go like their videos, subscribe to the channel, and well, if this video blows up or do well, either way, say Tannery sent you. Let's do that for the next video. So let's hope this sunliner will run. Thanks so much, Chad and Peyton from Honest Paint Speed Shop. A couple nights ago, I had a dream just dedicated to drinking water. Like this drinks gas. Put on my helmet, and what happened before? Not this. I got squirted. I'm like really nervous. This is going to be my first attempt on getting something actually running with money put into it. Here comes the boom. That's really loud. Come on. I don't know what that does. Alright, give me a second. I'm gonna go check the firing order. Right, I'm gonna go check those points. When I moved it with the screwdriver in the on position, nothing was happening. So you tell me if there's any spark. Was there? I don't know. Now, next question. Did I even move? Kind of rewatch the footage. It doesn't seem like it. So. No spark. I think I did see him move, but I think I have sandpaper somewhere around here. I don't know. Zap, 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 zap. Let me crank it a little bit longer. I will, just to make sure. Doing it all the way. Alright, I couldn't tell. It's too big a gap. We have on and on and on and on. It wouldn't just run by itself. I just had to keep on putting the fuel in by myself. And this goes on for another 10 minutes. Hold on, I'm gonna get the charger in here and charge it for half an hour, say. Alright. Get, focus. Come on. There we go. The plug was way more foul than this, but I think after checking to see if this was on top dead center, I'll clean off the plugs and see that it was like black. But these are newer plugs, so Champion. I don't know if it's right spark plugs. It's what my grandpa had, and yeah, that's what we use. So I do believe it's on top dead center. It was pushing out the spark plug as I was getting closer to number 1. The distributor turns counterclockwise, I believe, for these Fords, 360 Fords, FE Ford. So top dead center, I mean, number 1 will be here, so yeah, I don't think we put in it wrong, so maybe it's just foul plug. So be right back to you if all these cleaned off, and battery should be good enough. And this one ain't as bad, but still a little bit dirty. Clean up. There. Should be good to go. It's mainly number 1 right now, but this is only number 2. So, you know, I'll cut back to you when it's all done. Don't need to show you. If I see a really nasty one, I'll show you guys. Not a spark plug, but a plug wire. This was loose on the distributor and the spark plug, so I don't think that was doing anything. But other than that, the spark plugs kept getting nicer and nicer as I kept going. So, I don't know what was with number 1, but 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I thought it would be something odd, but yeah. Fords are nice. Alright, number 2, plug wire, crummy and stuff. Yikes. But yeah. The jets are fine. This plug wire wasn't plugged. The spark plug wasn't plugged in here. Over again like this. Yeah, I'm wondering if it could be the intake carb that goes to the carburetor, between carburetor and intake. I don't know, but what's next? Again and again. It's cracked. Hey, I got one more, what's it called? One more trick I'm gonna do. I'm gonna swap everything I put in here into there, swap the bottom plates. That don't make it run. It has to go 4-barrel. Can't have a cracked carburetor. And we don't have the money to buy one. Dang it. It's cracked. It's cracked. Right. I got one more, what's it called? One more trick I'm gonna do. I'm gonna swap everything I put in here into there, swap the bottom plates. That don't make it run. It has to go 4-barrel. Can't have a cracked carburetor. And we don't have the money to buy one. Dang it. It's cracked. Alright, I changed it up. Don't have much hope, but I don't think it's cracked. It was just, you know, the, casting marks. That's a relief, though. So, yeah, make sure you're following my Instagram for behind the scenes. Since I don't feel like doing behind the scenes for, you know, YouTube and... yeah, might as well just grow on tooth platforms, and So let's try again. Alright, squirtage works. It should all work, hypothetically. But, well. The battery of champions. All right. You could have told me I left it. Ah. Oh well. Thanks for telling me now, though. Batteries. Let it charge again for a couple while. Whoop, sorry, for a few seconds. I'll talk, but yeah. On this one here, there's a power valve in there. I don't know what it does. Anyone knows what a power valve does? Let me know in comment section below. Because I can't do much, because before this one was there, I was able to run it, have it actually run and idle without that power valve thing. But here's some numbers on here. 912D2. I don't know what that means, but it says 22 there. It says 0-0, either 6, 8, a 6 or an 8, a D, 8 or a 9. Then this says GOAE. GOAE. And I think GIF there. Anyone can decode those, and let's see what kind of block this is. That'll be pretty cool. Also, if I can get this video uploaded by this week, I got an exciting video for next week. I'm just gonna say it's gonna be pretty cool, but yeah, let's just stay tuned for that. Monday going somewhere pretty cool. So yeah, a few more minutes for that, and let's get back. I didn't let it charge for long, but I'm just so eager to see if whatever I did. Whatever. I'll put in a jump on this thingy on right now. There. Can't be out of fuel. And it's leaking. Gosh. Maybe it is out because late. I don't know. It shouldn't be leaking. It's new, stupid gaskets. Come on. That starter is junk. And I'm not going to put money into this thing until it runs. It's like pouring. Whoa. Yep. I'm disappointed, guys. I didn't get it running. I promised you guys that I'll get it running for this video. No, I didn't get it running. I don't know, but it just leaks gas now. I don't know if this time it's accelerator pump or what. It looks wet down there, but probably is accelerator pump, or I didn't screw the screws tight enough. But I'm done with the tri-power right now. It's going on a different vehicle in the future. I'm taking it off of here. In a bit, I will show you downstairs. And in the shelf there, the 4-barrel setup I want, or the 4-barrel intake and 4-barrel carburetors. But yeah, I'm disappointed. I'm even more disappointed that I couldn't get a good video out for you guys. Like I said, next week video, it's going to be different, but it'll be, yeah, but I do apologize, 100% guys, but I don't know what it could be, but I am giving up on tri-power for now. It's going to be a 4-barrel. So, yeah, it's sad, but at least it wasn't cracked. So, we might be able to sell it if we don't want to try it again for $2,000 or more. I don't know, around there. Yeah, it's a good setup, but if I haven't been working on carburetors much and I'm 16, I cannot get a tri-power running. Not now, but future, maybe. Yeah, so I'll go downstairs in a bit, and yeah. Oh yeah, also check everybody links in the description, especially on the Spain Speed Shop, and huge thank you to Gary for these awesome tools. Taking that off was awesome, especially the grip part on the extension. That was really helpful. But yeah, still working on plans for Grimace, the purple starliner. I'm dumb enough to think that there's splines inside of the engine part that from the transmission hit. No, it's the clutch, or the pressure plate, I mean. But yeah, we have pressure plates. I'll show you those too, but hopefully when this is nicer, I'll do the truck like I said a while ago in that videos a while ago. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the basement. Other than that, see you guys in the next video. Peace. The garage is too cluttered up to try to get to the carburetors, but I can at least get to the intakes. 2-barrel, wrong one. Two barrel. There we go. Yeah. Don't recognize that one thing, but yeah, this one's for an FE, as you can see, or whatever. What that? I don't know, but yeah, I think eeny, meeny, miny, mo with these, unless I have another over there, but yeah. Probably use this one here, but you knew that. I don't know. Yeah, this one looks more emissions than that one, but that one looks more rusty. But yeah. Yeah, very sad about that Tri-power ain't working. Oh, they're all heads. Wait. Here we go. Here's power converters to use for Shrek. Hopefully that'll fit. Oh, those are even better. I don't know. Y block. Ugh. Yeah, over there. Yeah. Alternators are here. The starters are over there. Hopefully one of both will fit. Trend. But yeah, bit saddened about that. Wait, no, we don't need an intake for the other engine. But yeah, yeah. I'll catch you guys in the next one.